Make sure you watch the full video to remove all of the viruses. So first, we need to head over to search and type in run. Then we're going to type in msconfig and click on enter. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to boot, and then we're going to click on safe boot and then click on network. Once you do that, you want to click on apply, and then you want to restart your computer. This will boot your computer into safe mode, so the viruses won't be activated. When you restart the machine, everything will look very different, but don't worry, this is just temporary, and then at the end of the video, we're going to fix it all again. Once you're on safe boot, we're going to delete all the temporary files, so we're going to head over to search and type in run, then we're going to type in %temp%. Once you're on it, we're going to delete all of these files, so click on Ctrl A, and then make sure that you click on Shift and delete, which will permanently delete all these files. Click on yes. If you get this, click on this, and then click on skip. Next, we're going to head over to search again, type in run. Now we're going to type in temp without the percentage sign, and click on enter. And we're going to do the same thing. Ctrl A and then Shift delete and click on yes. Next, we're going to head over to search, type in run again. Then we're going to type in clean mgr, click on enter. And then first we're going to start off with the C drive, click on OK. And then make sure that everything here is highlighted and then click on clean up system files. And then click on OK again on the same drive. And then make sure everything here is highlighted again and then click on OK. And then click on delete files. You can repeat that method for all of your other drives. Next, we're going to head into all of your web browsers that you use. So for example, I'll start with Chrome. You might be using Chrome. Click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on extensions, and then click on manage extensions. Make sure that you have no spammy or weird extensions that have been installed without your permission or that you don't know about. These extensions could actually spread over to your other web browsers and they have viruses in them, so make sure that you remove all of them. Check all the web browsers that you're using. Once you do that, just to be on the safe side, we want to clear the history. Click on clear browsing data, and then select all time, and then go to advanced, and then make sure that everything here is selected, and then click on clear data. Next, we're going to go back on any web browser. We're going to type in malware bytes. Click on enter. Once you're on it, we're going to download this, get the free download, and then scan your computer with it. Now, we're going to head over to search and type in run, and then type in msconfig again. Then we're going to head over to boot. Then we're going to uncheck safe boot and click on OK. Then we're going to go back to the normal version of Windows. Once we're back on the normal version of Windows, we're going to head over to search and type in virus and threat protection. Once you're on it, head over to scan options, and then you want to run a full scan first, and then you want to run a Microsoft Defender offline scan and click on scan now. Now, after you do everything in this video, if you still feel like you have a virus on your computer, we're going to reset the computer. But watch until the end, because after I show you how to reset your computer, once your computer is resetted, you have to do some methods that I'm going to show you which will potentially prevent you from getting a virus again in the future. So to reset the computer, we're going to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Once we're on it, we're going to click on reset PC. Then we're going to click on remove everything. Then we're going to click on local reinstall. Then we're going to click on change settings, and we're going to tick all of this. And also make sure that all of your files are backed up before you do this, all of your important files. Once you select yes on everything, we're going to click on confirm. And then click on next. And just follow all of the steps and you can reset your computer. Now once you've reset your computer, or you didn't reset your computer because you feel like all the viruses are gone, we're going to do a few things. So the first one is we're going to head over to search and type in virus and threat protection. Then we're going to click on manage settings, and we're going to scroll down and click on manage controlled folder access, and then you want to turn this on. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in change user account control settings. Once you're on it, you can put this to the max and then click on OK. Click on yes. What this basically does, so like if you open up an application, so for example, I open up Task Manager, this will pop up, yes or no. That doesn't usually pop up whenever you open up Task Manager. But let's say that you have a virus in the background and it wants to do something, then you might get this pop-up saying yes or no, and then that's how you know that you have a virus on your computer. This can get sometimes annoying for certain applications that you open and you know it's not a virus, so it's up to you if you want to do it or not. The next thing is you want to head over to search and type in check for updates, and then you want to make sure that your computer is always updated. This will also update Windows Defender to the latest version. Once you do that, head over to search and type in virus and threat protection, and then click on scan options, and then just run full scans and Microsoft Defender offline scans maybe like once a week. Whenever you download any file, head over to any web browser and then type in virus total, and then click on it, and then you want to click on choose file, and then head over to downloads and then select any file that you want to check, and then this should come up. This scans it using 50 antiviruses. So everything's undetected, so it's most likely a safe file. But don't just rely on this only. You have to make sure yourself that it's actually safe. You could also do the same thing with any website. So just click on URL and then just type in the website and it will tell you. Also on your web browser, you want to download the extension Malware Bytes. You can get this on any web browser, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to click on the three dots, extensions, visit Chrome store or just visit any store that you may have. And then we're going to type in Malware Bytes. And then you could just download this, add it to Chrome. And it should protect you from most dodgy websites. But the best antivirus is actually your brain. So if something seems dodgy, then just don't download it.